Nestled among a cluster of homes from a bygone era, House K stands as a quiet testament to thoughtful design. It began its life as a modest weatherboard cottage in Melbourne's northeast, its familiar silhouette a comfortable part of the streetscape. But over time, it yearned for an evolution, a gentle push towards something new without abandoning its roots. The architects at Kart Projects saw this not as an opportunity to impose a modern structure, but to deepen the home's existing character. They meticulously preserved the established, sprawling garden, carving out a new footprint that would maximize the connection to the outdoors, all while maintaining a sense of proportion that honored the original cottage. This wasn't about adding another floor or an ostentatious wing. It was about refining what was already there, creating a seamless flow from old to new. The result is an addition that confidently challenges the typical suburban extension. Instead of trying to dominate its surroundings, it chose a path of respect and restraint. The architects carefully removed a previous, ill-fitting lean-to, a decision that freed up valuable space on the relatively small block. This new footprint, though modest in size, was anything but timid. A bold splash of red was introduced, a vibrant thread that runs through the home, binding the original cottage and the new extension together in a striking and cohesive statement. This color isn't a loud proclamation, it's a confident, well-placed detail that adds a layer of depth and personality. The design philosophy was clear: keep the works on the ground level, mirroring the original home's proportions and avoiding the temptation to build up. Inside, the home feels both expansive and intimate, a delicate dance of compression and expansion. The architects intentionally used coffered ceilings to echo the cellular plan of the original cottage, subtly defining spaces without the need for physical walls. Light plays a crucial role here. The rear extension is set back from the northern boundary, allowing natural light to flood the living area, filling the space with an airy, welcoming warmth. To further this, a skylight was added into one of the ceiling voids, pulling daylight deep into the home's core. The material palette is intentionally minimal. Plywood joinery and light-colored terrazzo in some areas create a bright, open feel, while other spaces are designed to be darker and more enveloping, providing a sense of cozy intimacy. Ultimately, House K is a story of balance. It's a home that places character and charm above opulence, where every gesture feels considered and meaningful. The architects, builders, and landscapers worked in harmony to create a space that feels calm, uncluttered, and quietly restful. It's a place that treads its own path, demonstrating that a successful renovation isn't always about a dramatic transformation. Instead, it's about a respectful conversation between old and new, resulting in a home that feels both familiar and refreshingly unique. It's a crisp confidence in the coalescence of history and modernity.